So I have the foldable shopping cart from SereneLife. In this video, I'm going to show how to get this thing assembled and then what the finished product looks like, so you know exactly what to expect when your cart arrives. But overall, it's super easy to put together. No tools are involved. All you got to do is unfold it here. Now we're going to look at the ones that point out. That's going to be where your back wheels go. Front ones are going to be pointing down. So now at this point, you're just going to take the wheels, and they're going to have just little bolts on here. So you just need to take it off with your fingers. You don't need any tools. And now you just need to insert these into place, which is super easy. Put them on there, pop through, put your bolt on, do that on both sides, and you're good to go. Now that we got the front wheels on, we can move to the back. Very easy. They're going to give you this bar. All you need to do is take off the bolt here and the washer, slide it through, and then we can get on those back wheels. All right, and just like that, this thing is fully assembled and ready to go. I'm gonna put it down on the floor. We'll get the bag in there. I'll show what it looks like up close. And the bag is super easy, so you don't have to use this if you don't want to use it, but all you have to do is put it in there, and there's gonna be Velcro straps on the side here, which you can easily fold over and put it on there. And when you do want to take it out too, you can just pull it up with the handles. You're gonna be good to go. And here's what it looks like when it is all fully put together. Love the bag on the inside. Zipper pocket here too, so if you want to put maybe your belongings or something in there, you can do that to kind of separate it. Like I said, it just Velcros on the side. They're going to have handles too. If you want to carry it, maybe you live in an apartment, come home from shopping, bring all your groceries up. Really simple. And what's nice too is it does fold back up with the bag in there, so you don't need to unhook the bag. But overall, this is perfect for shopping, carrying laundry, whatever you need. It's a bunch of different uses for it. So I'm super happy with this. I give it 2 thumbs up.